My name is Arnaud Lapland, and I'm a researcher at the Finnish Metereological Institute. Here in Pallas, I research biogenic emissions. This means molecules that are emitted into the atmosphere by vegetation. The air in Pallas is very clean, but it is possible to detect pollutants at very low concentrations, but they are still here detectable. Now that we have several decades of measurements, we see how the concentration of these pollutants actually have been decreasing, and it means that international agreements have had an effect. We are also very interested to study the natural compounds that are present in the atmosphere. Those are molecules that are emitted from the vegetation or the soils. Once these compounds have been released into the atmosphere, they react with oxidants that are always present in the atmosphere, and this might lead to the formation of small aerosol particles. These particles are important in the climate system. It's very interesting for us to study those natural emissions here at northern latitude, because this part of the globe is actually warming up faster than the global average. These natural emissions are exponentially depending on the temperature, so we expect more emissions. But because the vegetation might experience some stress like drought, or there might be more forest fires, so we expect the composition of the emissions to also change, and we want to understand how these changes will also affect the climate.